To Washington right now, the Supreme Court is hearing challenges to the country's affirmative action policies in the college admissions process.
Members of the six-justice conservative bloc question the legal rationale that allows universities to continue considering race as a factor in admissions.
And Nick Smith is here with more on this story. Nick?
Adrienne, there are a lot of eyes on this story. Affirmative action appears to be in jeopardy. Harvard and the University of North Carolina tried to convince the justices to stick to long-held precedent, allowing race to be considered as one factor to achieve diversity on campus. The Supreme Court, which has a 6-3 conservative majority, heard back-to-back oral arguments in the UNC and Harvard cases. Justice Clarence Thomas pressed North Carolina's Solicitor General to explain how UNC defines diversity during oral arguments, centered on the use of race as a factor in college admissions. Justice Thomas saying, quote, "I've heard the word diversity quite a few times, and I don't have a clue what it means. It seems to mean everything for everyone." Justice Sonia Sotomayor saying that even if race were removed as one of the criteria, it would not guarantee diversity because on every metric, there would be competing applicants.
Whether it's socioeconomic, they're all subterfuges to reaching some sort of diversity in race. You're touting them as race neutral, but none of them are race neutral. You're doing them because you believe in racial diversity. I just don't understand why considering race as one factor, but not the sole factor, is any different than using any of those other matrix.
A ruling is expected in June. If the court ends affirmative action in higher education, legal experts believe the same reasoning could be used in hiring and other areas. Adrienne?
All right, Nick, thank you very much.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.